Here's how to set up and pack down the Galileo rooftop tent. Start by opening the 4 latches. Then give the shell a gentle push upward so the tent rises. Hook the ladder into the bracket and slide it out. Raise the awnings using the support poles. The curtains roll up easily. Place the 4 small mattresses in the corners. Connect the power cable to the LED light. Run the cable down into the kitchen and plug it into the USB socket. The light is turned on and off using the switch inside the tent. Now we'll show you how to pack the tent down again. Roll up the power cable and place it in the pocket. Remove the 4 mattresses from the corners and place them in the center. Remove the poles from the awnings. Slide the ladder closed. Place the ladder inside the tent. Pull down the rear section of the tent. Then pull down the front section. This is easier with 2 people. Tuck the tent fabric and straps inside the shell and close the 4 latches.